Hi everyone, in this video we will look at how can we connect Excel workbook with the Power BI. After opening the Power BI, there is a home tab. In the home tab, there is a group of data group. In the data group, there is option of Excel workbook. And if you want to connect with any other source, there is option of get data. We have to click on it. And there are multiple sources that is available. If your source is not visible, click on the more option. And then we can see there are multiple sources available, but we want to connect with the only Excel workbook. You have to select on it, Excel workbook, connect, and we want to connect with this file, Walmart retail data. Open. It is connected. Now we can see the preview of this data. After clicking on this file, we can see two options, load and transform data. If you want to do some transformation, some feature engineering, clean the data and normalize the data, we can click on the transform data and it will redirectly to the Power Query. But in this case, we are only load the data. Now the data has been loaded in our Power BI desktop, and this is the data. It is unnormalized data. If you want to normalize your data set, you can click on the transform data that will directly to the Power Query. So that's it for today's video. If you liked this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.